Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the 2020 55 inches Q70T QLED 4K HDR Smart TV by Samsung. See over 1 billion shades and colors on QLED, 4K, AI, artificial intelligence, upscaling with quantum processor, 4K. Remove the big blank screen with ambient mode plus. Yeah, and so many apps on it. Smart television apps, Netflix, Disney Plus, BT Sports, Prime, and more and more and more. This is a state of the art nice 4K smart television. Immerse ourselves in the 4K experience. Experience all the glory of 4K with unbelievable true to life color and smart audio. The intelligence behind the glorious 4K pictures. Oh, the quantum processor 4K. A powerful processor that gives us glorious 4K pictures and next level artificial intelligence sound. We have to discover just how smart a TV can be. All the content we are going to love upscaled to 4K or by using the AI upscaling option in that 4K television. From the nightly news to the classic movie, that processor automatically upscales the resolution of everything we are watching to 4K. It automatically analyzes the input source to reduce image noise, restore lost detail, and define edges around the objects on text, regardless of the source. Surrounding change picture stays pure, adaptive picture. Relax as our QLED TV adapts to our environment and automatically adjusts its brightness settings to give us the very best picture, day or night. And incredible picture detail with vibrant color and brightness. The Quantum HDR powered by HDR10 Plus. We are going to see exactly what's lurking in the shadows of the terrifying scene, or witness the true beauty within that sun-soaked beach. Thanks to the HDR10 Plus, we are enjoy incredible picture detail in every movie, just as directors intended. And we can catch every word, hear every sound. Adaptive Sound Plus an active voice amplifier, AVA. Thanks to artificial intelligence sound, we can listen to everything on QLED like never before. The TV analyzes the acoustics in the room and outputs dependent on what type of show or movie we are watching. We will never miss what our favorite characters are saying, even over the hum of the vacuum, as the QLED TV adjusts to the background noise in our room. And bold contrast and true to life color with dual LED. With dual LED technology, our TV will balance color for bolder contrast and more lifelike pictures, no matter what's on. Genuine cinematic color made from over 1 billion shades. 100% color volume. Yeah! Genuine cinematic color made from over 1 billion colors and shades. The Samsung's QLED is certified to deliver 100% color volume. QLED technology, unlike others, is able to transform light into breathtaking color without degradation over time, and unlock the potential of the ultimate gaming TV technology. That is Real Game Enhancer Plus. experienced gaming monitor performs on our big screen with AMD FreeSync and VRR. Never be caught out by the bad guys, hitting in the shadows with dynamic black equalizer technology, unveiling all of the finest details in the darkest scenes. Overcome the difficult level by using Samsung Multi-View to watch the latest walkthrough, which playing all at once on the same screen. Game on for us. Long we're lucky with no screen burn, warriors. This is only on Samsung QLED. And remove the big blank screen, Ambient Mode Plus. We can turn our TV screen into a decorative feature, displaying useful information. We own pictures or blend the TV into its surroundings. Just take a picture, upload it to the TV and blend it into our decor. It automatically adjusts to the light in our room, though that we can easily make the big blank screen a things of the past. Crafted to look perfect from any angle. Boundless design, three-sided, experience, minimalistic style with a stunning clean back, no meshy cables, and near bezel-less TV design that only leaves us to enjoy the beauty picture. This is Smart TV powered by Tizen. Smart ways to enjoy the TV. The Smart Hub and one remote control. From live TV to BBC, Play, Netflix, Apple TV, Disney Plus, and much, much, much more. The Smart Hub brings our favorite content together in one place. While the sleek universal one remote control gives us effortless access to control, intuitive control of everything. We don't need multiple remotes. Line up one, you're comfortable. Yeah, but the remote, I think it's a little bit less in comfort because there are only 10 buttons on it. But it works. TV and mobile content split on the big screen. That is multi-view. Discover new ways to multitask. Watch your favorite TV shows while sometimes in social media are all at once on the big screen. We will never ever choose again. We can split our screen and never miss another moment. No, and we can choose our favorite voice assistant. Multiple voice assistant, Bixby, Google, and Alexa on TV. For the first time, Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assist are all built into the Samsung Smart TV. Discover an optimal entertainment experience and advanced voice control in our content smart home. Changing the volume, source, channel, and more is as easy as asking. And we can make our TV the heart of our connected home. With smart things built into the Samsung TVs, we can control our smart home through one TV. The smart things works with 1,000 of smart devices to make our life easier, more secure, and more entertaining. From controlling your lighting, shuttering our laundry, on monitoring our home. This is smart living made simple. And spend less time searching, more time watching. Content discovery. It's a universal guide. Finally, all our favorite content from BBC and Netflix is one place. Your Samsung or our Samsung Smart TV. Our universal guide recommends popular shows and content tailored just for us. Meaning we can watch more what we are going to love. In this case, it's the display of 55 inches. You can also order it in a really big inches. The resolution in this thing is 3840 to 2160. The screen size is 55. This is a standard in our home, I think. It has quantum processor 4K, quantum HDR. It contains HDR10 Plus. The contrast is mega contrast. And the hybrid lock gamma is Enable, the color is 100% color volume with the quantum dot. What is a quantum dot? The quantum dot is a nice thing. It is a display device that uses quantum dots, QDs, semiconductor nanocrystals, which can produce pure monochromatic red, green, and blue light. The photoemittive quantum dot particles are used in a QD layer, which converts the backlit to emit pure basic colors, which improve display brightness and color gamut by reducing light losses and color crosstalk in RGB color filters. This technology is used in LED backlit LCDs. Through it applicates to other display technology which use color filters such as white or blue, or UV, OLED or micro LED. The LED backlight LCDs are the main application of quantum dots. And electronic emissions or electroluminescent. The quantum dot displays are an experimental type of display based on quantum dot light emitted diodes. QLED, also ELEDs or ELQD or QDEL called. These displays are similar to active matrix organic light emitted diodes and micro LED displays. Is that light would be produced directly in each pixel by applying electric current to inorganic nanoparticles. The QD LED display could support large flexible displays and would not degrade as read as QLEDs. And no OLEDs, sorry about this. Making them good candidates to flat panel screens, digital cams, mobile phones, and handheld games. And as of the 2019, all commercial products such as LCD TVs using quantum dots and brands as QLED use photoemissive particles. Electroemissions QLED LED TVs exist in laboratories only. Also, Samsung is working on release electronic emissions QD LED displays in the near future, which others doubt that such QD LED displays will ever become mainstream. Emissive quantum dot displays can achieve the same contrast as OLED and micro LED displays with perfect black level in the off state. Quantum dot displays are capable of displaying wider color gamuts than OLEDs, with some devices approaching full coverage of the BT 2020 color gamut. So you can see the quantum dots are our friends. And with mega contrast, you have a wide viewing angle. It has a dual LED technology. The audio system is dialogue enhancement and audio pre-select descriptor. You can have smart operations in it. That means the operation system is Tizen. Bixby is on board. Use English, Indian, English, Korea, French, German, Italian, Spanish, etc. And a far-field voice integration is indeed. The multi-voice assistant is in Great Britain, Germany, France, Italian, España, etc. And it works with Google Assistant. It works with Alexa. It has SmartThings app supported. Universal Browser and Play is enabled. You have a gallery. You have a mobile tab mirroring, a multi-view. You have sound mirroring, TV sound to mobile, remote access enable, e-connectivity, ERRC, and Bluetooth version 4.2. The stand color is black. The adaptive picture, you have an active voice amplifying, adaptive sound plus. You have an AI upscaler, ambient mode plus on board. Ambient mode is brightness or color detection, able, and FreeSync premium. Then you have energy efficient class A. Power supply is AC 220 up to 240 voltage, between 50 and 60 Hz. power consumption maximum is 180 watt power. Power consumption in standby mode is 0.5 watt. The power consumption energy saving mode is 52.8 watt. This is not so much. Power consumption typical is 110 watt. Peak luminance ratio is 74%, and the yearly power consumption in European standard is 153 kilowatt hour. The dimensions are withstand 1230.1 to 788.8 to 264.1 millimeter. The stand basic only has 732 to 264.1 millimeter. The set without stand is 1230 to 705.9 to 57.4 millimeters, and you can attach it to the wall, no problem. It has an easy standard system. The package, all of that, will weigh 25 kilograms. With stand, the flat screen and the stand will comes to 19.2 kilograms, and without stand is 17.2 kilograms. These are a really good device. This is the 2020 55 inches Q70T QLED 4K HDR Smart TV from Samsung. It's also available in 65 inches, 75 inches and 85 inches. But I think 55 inches is good enough for us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.